In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your quarter 3 assignments for a rolling gradebook for semester classes. So what we're trying to do is make sure that our third quarter assignments are counting both toward the third quarter and the fourth quarter. Because remember, we'll want all of our assignments for this semester to appear in the fourth quarter to count for the gradebook, for the rolling gradebook. So students' entire grades, all of their assignments are in that last quarter. So I'm going to make sure I'm in the third quarter here. Whenever I click on my class focus, I should see it says third quarter. And just keep in mind for your semester classes, you're going to need to follow this process for all class sections. So if you have a teamed section, like 2 period 7s show up, you're going to need to do this process for every single section in your gradebook. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you the steps for one of my class periods, period 4. So first, make sure you're clicked into third quarter grading mark periods. Once you've made sure of that, you're going to hover over Gradebook at the top and click on Assignments. Next, you'll see there are 2 tab choices down here, Assignments or Grading Periods. You're going to click on Grading Periods. So the third quarter window is Monday, January 25th through Friday, March 26th. So you should just be checking your assignments that fall within that date range. And you're trying to make sure that your assignments in the third quarter have checks for third quarter, so these look good, as well as fourth quarter. So you can see I have a couple that are missing. You can either check off individual boxes if you just have 1 or 2 that are missing, or if you have a whole row that are missing, maybe you forgot to check off fourth quarter, you can check off the all box here and it will check off everything in that column. And then you'll click Save Grading Periods at the top. So you'll notice I actually didn't have that many assignments in the third quarter, but you may have more that you need to check through. If there is a next page within the section, please click Next and double check that you have third and fourth quarter checked off for all of your third quarter assignments.